I also heard that there were a couple of times there were people that lived on other planets actually came down to Earth, you know, to see people. I don't really know if it's true or not. There's a little friendly dog. I see this dog practically every day. Hello. Hello. You see, and I was told that God, He created animals as well, but apparently animals don't get to heaven, you know, so why not, like, you know? If everybody's supposed to be good, they get to heaven. I mean, why are we here, you know? And then if I told somebody, they would say, well, because God created people. And then I thought to myself, which is probably wrong, is there a God, you know?
Do you think there is?
Well, I used to believe, and then I'm beginning to have my doubts, you know.
Why is that?
Well, you see, what I read in the Bible, God is supposed to be, God knows everything, and Jesus Christ is a Savior, and Jesus Christ is supposed to know everything. And yet it said in the Bible when Jesus Christ was getting crucified, He said, God, why hast thou forsaken me? So He had His doubts. Have you bought your house?
No. Couldn't do it.
No, because I was looking,
What was with you? You were looking.
you know, and to see what, there was a few houses in Knocklofty Park. I know how much they're looking, over 500,000.
$500,000
Aye.
for a house. No.
You see, when my parents died, they owned the house, they left me the house. But when they left me the house, I was actually very badly troubled with people, you know, and I sold it. A man came to me and he offered me, the houses were going for 50,000 at the time, and he offered me 10,000 and I just took it. And it soon went, and then I went into the hostel.
Did you know they were selling for 50,000?
Uh-huh. But you see, the house was practically, I mean, they'd wrecked it practically, you know. And any time I had to leave the house, when I came back, there was always something happened, you know, windows were broken. Sometimes maybe about 11:30 at night, if I was in bed, I could hear people trying to break the doors, you know. So I stuck it for about 2 or 3 years, and then I couldn't stick it any longer. And then when this man came and offered me 10,000, I just took it. You know.
What age were you?
50. Yeah, I thought when I got the 10,000, I thought it was a great, you know, and I thought to myself, well, I'll not be able to buy a house, but I could rent a house, but I couldn't do it, you know. And you see, I was unemployed at the time, and I actually went down and told them that I got £10,000. Well, they stopped my money, and the 10,000 soon went, you know. But the man that bought the house, he let me stay on in the house for a year, and the money went then, you know. That's why I'm in the hostel now. I got in. I'm in there 8 years.
So you did it by hand, yeah? You just,
Mm-hmm.
Where did you learn to do such a straight line?
Well, if it was quiet and I was sitting in my room, I was able to do it. But if it got noisy or anything, I couldn't do it. You
So you need silence to work.
know.
So you don't remember when you started drawing?
Only when I was a child, you mean?
Just whenever, I don't know.
I think everybody draws as a child, you know.
Do you think most people stop though?
I carried on. You know, but I just couldn't sit and do nothing, really. You know. So that's why I draw, you know.
Well, how would you feel if you stopped drawing?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think I could really stop drawing. You see, if I had a house, I would get frames and I would put them in frames, and you know. But with it, where I am, I just do the, you know.
If we held an exhibition and people came, would you like to be there?
Not really, no. No. Well, I mean, if I'll put it this way: if people want to buy them, let them buy them. But I just don't really want to be there, you know. That's me. I can't help it.